start. Okay. Hi YouTube. Welcome to my channel. It's Array. I am back at the doctor's, and yeah, but I just wanted to it's been a while since I checked in, a few days, but yeah, I am here at the doctor, trying to make sure that I am okay to take me through to the new year. I really don't want to have to come back to the doctor until, after the new year, especially with all the stuff that's going around. I don't want to expose myself to any illnesses out there, because I have a compromised immune system. It just seems like every time someone has a cold, it turns into a pneumonia. I think last year I also had bronchitis in addition to that. So just want to make sure that I'm safe, and I hope you guys out there also try to be safe with all the stuff that's going on in our in our world now. Just be safe and wear your masks and wash hands and all that. But yes, I had another hiccup. I have been off of my juice fast. I think I did 9 days of juice fasting, and then started again today. So I was happy in the sense that last time that I had a hiccup, it took me 22 days for me to get back onto it. So I am happy. So it's kind of like, I don't know if it's a total hiccup, a total fail, or a triumph, because it takes, instead of 3 weeks, it took me 3 days to get back on this juice fast journey again. But I will call it a triumph. That's what I am gonna call it. I'm gonna call it a triumph. And so we'll see how it goes, and hopefully I'll be able to post again tomorrow. Thank you guys for being out there. Thank you for keeping me accountable, and pushing me to continue to stay on this journey. The journey continues. Thanks so much. Bye.